Joe Rogan worried about drone sightings after chilling new theory floats, genuinely concerned. Joe Rogan, the popular podcaster and comedian, has expressed growing concern over the recent surge in drone sightings, following a chilling new theory that has begun circulating online. Known for his candid discussions on a wide range of topics, Rogan has been increasingly vocal about the potential risks associated with drones and the implications of their widespread use in modern society. Rogan's concern is not without merit, as many experts have pointed out the potential dangers of drones when used improperly. Drones equipped with high-definition cameras and advanced sensors can collect vast amounts of data, ranging from personal information to the locations of private individuals. This technology, when used maliciously, could easily be employed to violate privacy rights or engage in covert surveillance. While drones provide a range of benefits from enhancing commercial operations to aiding law enforcement, they also pose significant privacy risks that need to be addressed through comprehensive regulations. As Rogan himself pointed out, the unchecked growth of this technology could lead to serious consequences for personal freedom and privacy if proper safeguards are not put in place.